Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dremel Bits is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone involved in metalworking or DIY projects. These versatile attachments transform your Dremel rotary tool into a precision cutting machine, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, understanding the different types of Dremel bits and their applications is key to achieving clean, accurate cuts in metal. Number 5. Dremel Easy 406-02 Easy Lock Starter Kit. This kit transforms your Dremel rotary tool into a cutting powerhouse. It includes everything you need to get started with cutting a variety of materials. The Easy 456 cutoff wheels are reinforced with fiberglass, making them extra durable. They are designed to last longer than standard wheels, allowing you to cut through various materials. This kit is ideal for cutting bolts, screws, sheet metal, thin wood, ceramic, and plastic. It makes the job easier and more efficient. The included Easy 402 mandrel features the patented Easy Lock system. This allows for accessory changes 6 times faster than standard mandrels. The wheel has a 1-to-1 inch diameter and a 0.045 inch thickness. The blade material is fiberglass. Look for the red color code to find more cutting accessories. What we like. This Dremel kit features the Easy Lock system, making accessory changes incredibly fast. The fiberglass reinforcement ensures durability when cutting through metal and other materials. If you frequently switch between cutting tasks and value speed and efficiency, you should consider this kit. What people say. The cutting discs was used to cut though bearing races, used in my Dremel rotary tool, and used it on number 3, cut very quickly, so had to be gentle on the cutting speed and watch it closely as to not cut into other surface. The quick lock is fantastic and easy to use. This cutoff wheel did the job. It was a little less than 1/4 inches, I cut 4 pieces, and used 2 wheels. The quick change feature is great. Number 4. Dremel Easy 456B 12-piece cutoff wheels. These cutoff wheels are perfect for your rotary tool. They are designed to cut, trim, and groove into various materials. The wheels are reinforced with fiberglass. This makes them extra durable, allowing them to last longer than standard wheels. It's ideal for cutting bolts, screws, sheet metal, thin wood, ceramic, and plastic. This makes it a versatile addition to your toolkit. The Easy Lock system allows for quick accessory changes. You can change accessories 6x faster than with a standard mandrel. The working diameter is 1-to-1 inches. The blade thickness is 0.045 inches, and the material is fiberglass. Remember to use it with the Dremel Easy 402 mandrel. Dremel accessories are color-coded. For cutting accessories, look for the red color code. You can easily find the right tool for the job. Need help? Customer service is available by chat, email, phone, or visit the service center in Racine, Wisconsin. They are ready to assist you. What we like. This pack offers a generous supply of cut-off wheels, perfect for extended projects. The Easy Lock system makes changing accessories a breeze. If you have a lot of cutting to do and need a reliable supply of wheels, it's a great choice. What people say. The bits cut through the metal with ease. They work great for cutting metal. These bits are perfect for cutting metal. Number 3. Carbide Burr Set 1/8 Shank for rotary tools. This 10-piece Carbide Burr set is perfect for detailed work. It's designed for efficient material removal in tight spaces, making the job easier. The set includes a variety of burrs for carving, engraving, and more. They are compatible with most rotary tools, offering versatility for various projects. With a 1/8 shank, it fits Dremel, Milwaukee, and other rotary tools. The burrs are designed for high-speed rotary tools, ensuring optimal performance. These burrs can be used on metal, wood, stone, and plastic. It's great for shaping, polishing, and deburring, providing clean cuts with minimal effort. The set comes with a clamshell box, user manual, and paper box. The quality of the burrs is apparent when used correctly, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. What we like. This set is designed for aggressive material removal and detailed work in various materials. The burrs are perfect for tight spaces and offer a clean cut with minimal effort. If you are looking for a comprehensive set for carving, grinding, and shaping, this is the one. What people say. The fine-pointed rotary burr bit was used to assemble an RFID tag chip program module. It carved through nylon fasteners during the build process. They are durable and hold up well. They are compatible with a Dremel and can be used for fine detailing. I was really impressed with how well they grind steel. I use them to sharpen my shovels and garden tools. Number 2. Dremel 9901 Tungsten Carbide Cutter. This Dremel carving bit is designed for tough jobs. It's perfect for shaping, smoothing, or grinding hard materials. Made from durable tungsten carbide, this bit is built to last. It can handle metals, hardened steel, and even plastics. Whether you're engraving metal or glass, or carving stone, this tool is ideal. It's also great for removing flash from castings. The cylinder shape allows for deep material removal. It can cut flat areas, round edges, and make stop cuts and V-cuts. You'll receive 1/1/8 tungsten carbide carving bit. It's designed for use with rotary tools that accommodate a 1/8 shank size. What we like. This bit is made from durable tungsten carbide, ideal for shaping and grinding tough materials. The cylinder shape allows for deep material removal and precise cuts. If you like engraving or working with hard materials like metal or stone, it's a must-have. What people say. Used it to trim intricate curves on sheet metal. Stayed sharp the whole time. I use them almost daily to cut away at stainless steel. They work excellent. The bits did the job. Number 1. Dremel Max Life 115 HP 516 Carving Bit. This is the Dremel Max Life carving bit. It's designed for long-lasting performance and impressive durability. This accessory is built to give you stronger performance. The Max Life 115 HP carving bit is coated in titanium nitride. This coating allows it to last twice as long as the standard Dremel 115 carving bit. This carving bit is perfect for detailed material removal. You can use it for shaping, carving, engraving, and precision cutting. It's ideal for carving and engraving in wood, soft metals, and plastic. It's a versatile tool for a variety of projects. The cylinder shape allows for deep material removal. It can cut flat areas, round edges, and make stop cuts and V-cuts. The tip also makes flat bottom slots and grooves. The working diameter is 5/16, 7.9 mm, with a 1/8, 3.2 mm, shank. It's made of high-speed steel with a titanium nitride coating. What we like. This bit features a titanium nitride coating, extending its lifespan and performance. It's designed for detailed carving and engraving in various materials. If you are looking for a durable and versatile carving bit for your Dremel, this is the one. What people say. The bits cut through the metal with ease. They work great for cutting metal. These bits are perfect for cutting metal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.